Online Wealth Unlocked. Strategies for Financial Success. Welcome to my channel. Discover the keys to financial success in the digital age with Online Wealth Unlocked. Strategies for Financial Success. Explore proven methods for leveraging online platforms, monetizing content, and mastering digital marketing to achieve your financial goals. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Introduction to Online Wealth. In today's interconnected world, the realm of online opportunities has opened new avenues for financial growth and prosperity. The introduction of online wealth marks a transformative era where individuals can harness the power of the internet to generate income, create wealth, and achieve financial independence. As traditional notions of wealth generation evolve, the online landscape offers a diverse range of income streams, from e-commerce ventures and affiliate marketing to content creation and digital products. This introduction serves as a gateway to understanding the possibilities that await in this digital frontier. It explores the fundamental shift in wealth accumulation, emphasizing the significance of adapting to changing paradigms and embracing strategies that leverage the reach and accessibility of online platforms. Whether seeking supplementary income or a full-scale online business venture, the journey into online wealth promises an exciting expedition into the world of financial opportunities that await in the virtual realm. Understanding online opportunities. Understanding online opportunities unveils the diverse landscape of income generation within the digital sphere. From e-commerce enterprises that transcend geographical limitations to affiliate marketing alliances that capitalize on the power of collaboration, this exploration navigates the spectrum of possibilities. Content creators find their niche in a world hungry for information, while digital products emerge as sought-after solutions. The intricate tapestry of online ventures intertwines with social media influence and emerging technologies, offering pathways that adapt to individual strengths and aspirations. By delving into this realm, one gains insights into how online opportunities span industries, audiences, and platforms. This understanding not only empowers individuals to align their passions with profitable ventures, but also encourages a strategic approach to seizing the boundless potential of the digital landscape. Monetization strategies. Monetization strategies are essential tactics used to convert online efforts into revenue. These strategies encompass various approaches that enable individuals and businesses to generate income from their online activities. One common method is through affiliate marketing, where individuals promote products or services and earn a commission for each sale made through their referral links. Another approach involves creating and selling digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or downloadable resources. Moreover, advertising revenue can be generated by displaying ads on websites, blogs, or YouTube channels. Subscription models provide a consistent income stream by offering exclusive content or services to paying subscribers. E-commerce is also a significant avenue, involving selling physical or digital products directly to consumers through online stores. Digital Marketing Mastery. Digital Marketing Mastery is a comprehensive resource that equips individuals with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in the dynamic world of online marketing. This resource covers a wide range of digital marketing strategies and techniques, from search engine optimization, SEO, and social media marketing to content creation and email campaigns. Readers will gain insights into identifying target audiences, creating engaging content, optimizing websites for better visibility, and leveraging social platforms for brand promotion. The resource delves into analytics and data-driven decision-making, helping marketers measure the effectiveness of their campaigns and make informed adjustments. With a focus on practical applications, Digital Marketing Mastery empowers readers to navigate the digital landscape confidently and achieve optimal results for businesses or personal endeavors. E-commerce excellence. E-commerce excellence is a comprehensive guide that delves into the strategies and practices essential for thriving in the world of online retail. It covers the entire e-commerce journey, from setting up a compelling online store to creating a seamless customer experience and driving sales. Readers will gain insights into product sourcing, inventory management, pricing strategies, and effective digital marketing techniques. The guide also emphasizes the importance of user-friendly website design, secure payment gateways, and responsive customer support. E-commerce excellence equips entrepreneurs with the knowledge to navigate challenges such as competition, changing consumer trends, and logistics. By mastering the nuances of e-commerce, individuals can maximize their online presence, build customer loyalty, and achieve sustainable growth in the dynamic online marketplace. Creating valuable content. Creating valuable content is a fundamental strategy for engaging and building an audience in the online realm. It involves crafting high-quality, relevant, and insightful material that resonates with your target audience's interests and needs. Valuable content can take various forms, including articles, videos, podcasts, infographics, and more. To create valuable content, start by understanding your audience's preferences and pain points. Research trending topics and conduct keyword analysis to address topics that are in demand. Scaling and growth. Scaling and growth are essential components of achieving long-term success in any venture. As your business or project gains traction, scaling involves strategically expanding its reach, impact, and profitability. This process entails increasing production, customer base, and revenue while maintaining operational efficiency. Effective scaling requires careful planning, resource allocation, and adaptability to accommodate growing demands. Key elements of successful scaling include optimizing processes, leveraging technology, and diversifying offerings. Overcoming challenges. Overcoming challenges is an integral aspect of any journey towards success. In various endeavors, challenges can arise that test one's determination and resilience. These challenges might encompass financial setbacks, unexpected obstacles, competitive landscapes, and personal doubts. However, facing these challenges head-on can lead to growth and achievement. By developing problem-solving skills, adapting strategies, seeking guidance from mentors, and maintaining a positive mindset, individuals can navigate these hurdles more effectively. Additionally, setbacks offer valuable lessons that contribute to personal and professional development. Embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth is essential for reaching one's goals, as overcoming obstacles can pave the way to success and a sense of accomplishment. Real-life success stories. Real-life success stories serve as inspiring and tangible examples of individuals who have turned their online endeavors into significant financial achievements. From entrepreneurs building thriving e-commerce stores to content creators monetizing their blogs and videos, these stories showcase the potential of online platforms. Many have harnessed the power of affiliate marketing, digital products, and social media engagement to generate substantial incomes. Through strategic scaling and embracing challenges, these success stories highlight the transformative impact of adopting effective online strategies. By learning from these experiences, individuals can gain valuable insights and motivation to embark on their own path to financial success in the online realm. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.